Welcome to China's largest high-tech facility, dedicated to the massive industrial transformation of raw cassava into flour.
Thousands of tons of fresh cassava roots arrive daily from surrounding agricultural zones to begin their journey. Robotic systems manage the initial intake, ensuring that only the highest quality organic material enters the facility. Powerful high-pressure water jets remove every impurity, while specialized peeling machines strip the dark outer skin.
Witness the full industrial process and hit the subscribe button now for more amazing factory tours worldwide.
High-speed industrial graders pulverize the roots into a uniform mash to maximize the extraction of starch. Centrifugal force separates the valuable starch from the fibrous pulp, creating a concentrated liquid milk base. Precision monitoring ensures the highest yield possible from every single batch of raw agricultural input material.
Specialized evaporation units reduce the water content, transforming the liquid into a thick and heavy starch slurry.
In a matter of seconds, intense heat flashes the moisture away, leaving behind pure white flour.
Microscopic sifting ensures that the final product meets strict international standards for texture and nutritional purity.
Safety is the top priority as researchers conduct rigorous chemical analysis to ensure zero toxicity levels.
Pneumatic transport systems move the flour across the factory at incredible speeds without any human contact. The packaging line operates with robotic precision, filling and sealing thousands of bags every single hour. Robotics handle the heavy lifting of palletizing, preparing the shipments for the global food supply chain. The efficient logistics management ensures that the finished flour reaches international markets within just a few days.
The high-quality flour is a staple ingredient used in a vast variety of global culinary applications. As a gluten-free alternative, and cassava flour is increasingly in demand for health-conscious consumers around the world.
Sustainability drives the operation, with 90% of all water being treated and reused on-site.
China's Giant Cassava Factory represents the pinnacle of modern food engineering and sustainable industrial-scale manufacturing.
Every shipment is weighed precisely to calculate the starch content and determine the final processing efficiency.
Regular maintenance of the spinning filters is essential for keeping the production line running at peak.
Uniformity is guaranteed by large-scale mixers that blend thousands of kilograms into a single consistent batch.
Constant scientific testing provides the data needed to optimize the extraction process for every single batch.
Deep cleaning and sterilization are performed around the clock to maintain the facility's high hygiene standards.
Zero waste goals are achieved by converting cassava fiber into high-nutrient organic fertilizer for local Chinese farms.
From these rural processing centers, high-quality flour is exported to meet massive demand in global markets.
High-tech sensors monitor moisture levels in real time to prevent spoilage and ensure a long shelf life.
Accuracy in weight measurement is mandatory to comply with international regulations for exported food-grade products. Investing in human capital ensures that the facility stays at the forefront of industrial technology and innovation.
Computational modeling allows engineers to optimize energy consumption throughout the complex drying and milling process stages. Automated wrapping provides a secure barrier against moisture, ensuring the product remains fresh during ocean transport.
Understanding the rheological properties of the flour is critical for its use in industrial food manufacturing.
Self-driving vehicles navigate the floor safely and efficiently, reducing the need for manual transport of goods.
Every shipment is verified with a digital certificate, ensuring that consumers receive a genuine, high-quality product.
Employee wellness is a core pillar of the facility, which operates as a self-sustaining industrial community.
Keeping the systems airtight is critical for maintaining the high-speed movement of flour without any contamination.
Even in this high-tech world, human oversight remains the final layer of our strict quality control.
Harnessing the sun's power allows the facility to reduce its carbon footprint while maintaining high output.
Another successful shipment marks the end of a complex journey from the farm to the world. Managing heat buildup during grading is essential to prevent the starch from cooking prematurely in the
Modified starches are produced for specific industrial applications, like paper manufacturing and pharmaceutical coatings for medications. Augmented reality technology assists technicians in identifying mechanical issues before they can cause a production delay. Sampling ensures that global customers can verify the quality of the flour before placing large bulk.
Mass spectrometry provides a detailed nutritional profile, ensuring the flour is rich in essential dietary minerals. Sustainable water management is a key feature of the factory's commitment to protecting the local ecosystem. Advanced sensors monitor the entire facility's pneumatic systems to prevent any loss of transport efficiency today. Global trade connects these rural Chinese factories to consumers in every corner of the modern world.
Regular environmental monitoring is mandatory for maintaining the facility's high standards of hygiene and food safety.
Automated storage systems maximize space and speed, ensuring that the production line never faces a bottleneck.
Atomization turns the liquid into a fine mist, increasing the surface area for near-instantaneous industrial-scale drying.
Reliable backup power ensures that the continuous drying process is never interrupted by any external grid. The factory's commitment to zero waste is having a measurable positive impact on the surrounding local community. Access to the core research and development areas is strictly controlled to protect the facility's technologies.
This factory is part of a larger network of industries that provide essential food products today.
Precision chemical analysis ensures that every batch of starch milk meets the highest standards for flour.
Even in a high-tech facility, human craftsmanship and attention to detail remain a valued part of culture.
As the day ends, the facility continues to set the standard for high-tech industrial-scale processing.
Managing cryogenic materials is a complex task that requires strict safety protocols and constant monitoring by specialists. Precision laser technology provides permanent traceability for every product that leaves the specialized factory floor today.
Eco-friendly packaging is a major goal for the future as the factory works to reduce waste.
This has been an inside look at the incredible modern process you have never, ever seen.
Precise physical measurements allow the team to calibrate the grading blades for the most efficient possible extraction.
Magnetic separation is a critical safety step to ensure the flour is completely free of any contaminants. High-efficiency boilers generate the thermal energy required for the massive flash drying and evaporation processing stages. Cooling the flour prevents clumping and ensures that it remains free-flowing throughout the automated packaging process stages.
Dust management is vital for preventing industrial explosions and maintaining a clean and safe working environment.
High absorption makes cassava flour an ideal ingredient for a variety of specialty food and industrial products. Precise dosing ensures that every customer receives the exact amount of product as stated on the label.
Preventative maintenance is the key to avoiding production delays in this high-volume and high-tech facility today.
Renewable energy provides a reliable source of power for the factory's 24-hour-a-day operations. Rigorous final testing is the backbone of the factory's commitment to safety and high product standards.
Security seals ensure the integrity of the product during its long journey from the factory to customer.
Understanding global market trends allows the factory to adjust production to meet the needs of future consumers.
Real-time control allows for immediate adjustments, ensuring that production targets are met without any loss of quality. Handheld scanners verify every package against the manifest, ensuring that no mistakes are made during final dispatch.
The massive solar array is a testament to the factory's commitment to clean and renewable power.
Sustainable material science is turning waste into a resource, proving that modern industry can be truly circular.
Advanced wastewater treatment ensures that every drop of water leaving the factory is clean and safe. Successful shipment marks the end of a journey that begins with science and ends with culinary excellence. From raw roots to global flour, and this operation sets the standard for the future of industrial production. Quality assurance continues until the very moment of shipment to ensure the starch properties remain perfectly intact.
Providing green spaces for staff is part of the factory's holistic approach to corporate and social responsibility.
Preventative maintenance is the key.
Constant study of nutritional profiles allows the facility to provide the healthiest flour for their global customers. Precision laser technology provides permanent traceability for every high-value byproduct that leaves the specialized factory floor. Autonomous vehicles navigate the warehouse floor with incredible precision, reducing the need for manual heavy lifting by staff. Every piece of lab equipment is scanned for structural integrity to ensure it can withstand high-pressure processes.
Eco-friendly packaging is a major goal for the future as the factory works to reduce waste.
Managing cryogenic gases is a complex task that requires strict safety protocols and constant monitoring by specialists. Specialized robotics are designed to handle sensitive biological assets with a level of care that humans cannot. The computational fluid dynamics are used to optimize ventilation, ensuring fresh air reaches every single processing zone. The purification process uses biodegradable chemicals to produce high-quality flour without harming the local environment today.
Augmented reality assists technicians in identifying and fixing mechanical issues before they can cause a production delay.
Sensory testing ensures that the flavor and texture of the product meet the expectations of gourmet experts. Consistency in nutrition is guaranteed by high-capacity industrial mixers that blend every batch to an exact formula.
Innovation continues as researchers find new ways to extract medicinal compounds from every part of the root.
Efficiency in the cold storage area ensures that products are always ready for rapid loading and transport. This has been the full process of China's high-tech cassava flour industrial-scale factory in operation.
Join us next time as we explore the incredible science behind the world's most advanced manufacturing facilities.